Hi everyone, welcome back to a new Vlogmas. So today we are talking about sequins. I like to combine some skirts with some knittings, a knitted top or a blouse or a t-shirt. You can find a lot of inspiration on Pinterest. Also, can we talk about my hair? I tested the new heatless curling method and I super duper love it. If you want, I can make a tutorial or talk about it in a new video. So let's get back to sequins. I combined this nude skirt with a knitted top and I just love it. It gives some Christmassy vibes to it. And I also recommend you to buy some thermal tights because it's super cold with the skirt during this period of time. So you can find in black or you can find in nude. I just have in black right now, but I will also buy in nude. I also like to have some dark tights because I have usually black boots, so that's why I like to combine this type of colors. So yeah, this is the first look. So the next outfit is a black sequin skirt with a white blouse, but I also have a little bit of black details right there. This one is just a classy, simple look, as you can see, because it's just black and white. You can use it also on Christmas or at a Christmas office party or at New Year's Eve, because I think it's just super classy and very elegant and simple. So yeah, this one I love, absolutely love. So finally, a red skirt, perfect for the Christmas time. I like to combine it with this super cute feminine top. It's with pearls and a red lipstick, but you can also combine it with a white shirt or, like, why not a really red shirt, so you're full red. I also prepared a super huge red top. This one's also knitted, but I wasn't sure if I could combine it well, but I think it would make a cute outfit as well because it's oversized and it's full red, so I think this would also work. But I like this more because it also balances out with my black tights, so that's why I think it works better for me. But let me know what you think in the comment section. So now finally a shirt with this super colorful chameleon skirt. This one's one of those cool skirts with sequins that change the color. So as you can see, I just play with it anytime and it changes the color. So yeah, I think the most important thing is to balance everything out with sequins, so it's nice to watch. So the outfit is aesthetic but also eye-pleasing. So when I have this type of skirts, I think you can use something very light or something very dark, but pay attention to the chromatic of the sequins so that it's nice to, you know, combine. Honestly, if I have put a yellow or neon shirt with this skirt, it would be chaos, but I think this combination is really nice and it works out very pretty. So the last outfit is one with pants. It's the only one with pants. I honestly choose skirts over pants, but I had to have one in the video for my girlies who are wearing only pants. So I have this type of cigarette classic pants with a very nice top. It's over the shoulder and I have it for a while now, but I'm sure you can find something similar online if you just maybe screenshot it or just search this type of blouse and I'm sure you will find it. It's gorgeous and it's perfect also for the office or Christmas time or New Year's time. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and my ideas, and let me know in the comments where would you wear them and which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Mwah! Bye bye!